In this video, you will learn what is initials and finals in Pinyin. Click on the subscribe button below to get started. Chinese syllables can be divided into initials, finals, and the tones. In Chinese, there are 21 initials and 38 finals in Pinyin. Some of the initials and finals cannot be joined together. Here, I can say that the initials are similar to the English consonants, while the finals are similar to the English vowels. Remember that we have earlier learned the first part of Chinese initials and finals. The link to the video is placed in the description box below. Get ready to learn how to pronounce these initials and finals. The initials: zhi, chi, shi, r, zi, ci, si. Again: zhi, chi, shi, r, zi, ci, si. The finals: o, you, an, yan, wang, yuan, en, in, wen, yun, ang, yang, wang, ong, yung, wong, ong, yong. Again: o, you, an, yang, wang, yuan, en, in, wen, yun, ang, yang, wang, ong, yung, wong, ong, yong. Make sure to subscribe to my channel for more educative video lessons. See you in the next video.